Good day, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today's a very blue day, February 9th. It is 1:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my time. So let's get over to our let me just see if I can load up. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. That's what we want. All right, so I've been working on the charts and the financial advisory service stuff, building that out. Right now I've got a survey out on the channel. If you can answer this in the community tab. How would you like informative financial reports and charts delivered? Any of these methods via email, video, and Microsoft Office, Excel or Word, or PDF. Today's market's looking pretty strong. And lastly, if you want to know more what I'm doing, just join the quantlabs.net/contact and join our email service, and we'll get you all set up to continue the conversation. All right, so most importantly, here we are in the world of crypto. I haven't done this in 2 days. So let's take a look at where BTC is, or Bitcoin. Here's the daily view. That March that I've been talking about still on it's very strong, 34,000 up to 44,000. So it's done pretty good. Ethereum's done very well as well, from what I'm reading. Let's check out the daily view there as well. So again, from 24.59 all the way up to 31.99. That's pretty convincing that the recovery is definitely underway. So let's take a look at the reports that I've got on this updated bot. I think it's going to need to be retweaked again for a variety of reasons. Just looking for it right now. Just give me a minute or even a second. It's this one. Okay, here we are. So as you know, I have the ability to tell you how it's doing as it's running all the time. Now, this is where it gets very important with what I'm building out for the portfolio optimization. So let's start with yesterday. So yesterday was quite strong. Some of these coins I've talked about have done really well. Yesterday I'm going to show you those, but today's a different story. So you can see right there, total return of 2.5%. 88% win ratio, and P&L of that, which is pretty strong, $40. So that's very strong. So let's look at these coins from yesterday. Oh, and I should show you today as well. So that's a different story. So here for today, so far, unless things radically improve, yeah, you can see it's only 86, negative 1.2. Now this is what I gotta revisit after I get these reports out, start the marketing and all that, because we're relaunching a lot of things. I know what people are wanting to build out wealth, but yet they don't know where to go. So I'm going to build out these subscription services with reports and charts to help them decipher which way they want to go, be it if they want to do it via crypto and or being with something like Interactive Brokers, which is a pretty good, well, it's the largest broker out there, and they can either try it themselves or challenge their financial advisor once you've gained the research to know where to go, to ask questions, why and where you want to make money. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. The first set of coins I want to look at is from yesterday. So what I'm about to show you may look not too profitable from yesterday or from today, but they were profitable today. So the first one we'll look at is Avac. So a lot of these coins that were building hype in January, they're starting to move. Okay, so let me probably go with a 1 hour chart. So you can see it's steadily trending up for Avacs or Avalanche, $64 to $91. So that's a 50% return. Like, that's huge. With those kind of coins, you'll definitely build wealth very quickly. But again, timing's everything, right? And when to get in, when to get out. So here on the hourly basis, this one's not so much for Ant, 620 to 783. It's still pretty good. It's still beating out like the stock market, wherever else you can go to make money. This one's a consistent story all the time, is ICP. This one's not too bad, but it's doing pretty good. 1850 to 2350. It did peak at 2450, so that's almost a 25% return. And this is just since January 31st. Another coin here that's doing really well, that has done really well, is Sand. I did report them on Monday. Let's see how they're doing. So here, you can see on this last swing here on February 3rd, it's at 3.5, and now it's at 460, so that's pretty good. When you look at the daily, let's check out how this has been doing. Yeah, so there's a daily here on the last swing, $3, almost up to $5, doing really strong performance there as well. So another coin that's been hyped, and still is somewhat hyped, is Near as well. Let's check that one out on the hourly basis. So you see here, last swing, once again, January 31st, $10. Now it's at $12.90. So that's a 30% return just since the start of February. Okay. Another coin that's doing well because of the decentral exchange aspect to it, this being based out of the U.S. or North America, or the West, out of Switzerland actually, so they can avoid all the crazy restrictions. So these are the coins actually I'm showing you from today, I believe. Oh no, these are yesterday. Okay, so continuing along. So this is Dydx. This one's been doing really good. You can see here, well actually it's not as strong, but it's still performing consistently since the beginning of the week. 560, February 2nd, now it's at 830, 839. Let's look at the hourly. Like, this is a huge move. These are 50% returns. It's 560 up to 830, 839, and it still continues to trend up. So that is a great coin to hodl since Monday. I don't know why people don't do it, but whatever. Another coin that has been trading somewhat is Win. Let's check that out. Again, same trend. Here that trend is February 3rd, and again today is the 9th. This is over the last week. So here February 3rd, it's at 2.9 cents, all the way up to 3.6 cents, peaked at 3.8. So, man, Avac is definitely the clear winner here. I'm seeing another one that's been hyped is Luna, or Terra. Let's check that one out. So this one is probably another big winner. These are the new equivalent of Solana. $43, January 31st, $57. It's pretty good overall. That's on an hourly basis. So what can I tell you? YFI is another one I've seen. See, the legacy coins are not returning as much. That's a problem if you're not really on top of these coins, the new generation that I call. And these are the ones I've just shown you are the latest generation that are performing incredibly well. So this is an older legacy, and it can only be just as old as a year. So here we are, February 3rd, 22,572, and it's up to 26,000. So it's like, 10-15% move. Not too bad, but again, I've already shown you coins that have done amazingly well. So let's look at the, this one has kind of performed, LRC, this is Loop Ring, I'm not mistaken. Again, all this is on Binance.com. Again, here's one. So here, February 3rd, seems that February 3rd is a turning point. 83 cents all the way up to $1.09. So that's a 20% return. Okay, AXS. Okay, so the metaverse gaming coins are really moving. Sanda's one of them, but you're not seeing Mana, you're not seeing Engine in my suite. But here we have AXS. This is probably last year's best performing coin. So again, on the last swing, yet again, February 3rd, at 46.79, 65.90. So that's a 50% return over the last week. 50% return. Incredible. Okay, we have another one called Hot. I know about this coin. It's been a long time since it's been trading. And it's these little ones that just come out of nowhere that just explode. And here we go again. This one, 4.2 cents all the way up to 5.7 cents. Peaked here at roughly 6 cents. So that's roughly another 50% mover right there. Another one that I mentioned in my webinar, ENS, the Ethereum naming service. I think this coin has going to support a lot of utility. I'm actually somewhat excited about this coin as they build out the new Web3 with being able to build websites on this domain name service. So it's at $17.50 here at February 3rd. Did peak here at $23, so good return there. But it's down to $20.66, so it's a 10% move there, just above. Another coin that's been very, very consistent, it's not your top performer, that I've listed out today, is Cosmos and Atom. Let's look at this one as well. Yeah, this one's not doing so great. 25 to 30, 99, $31. So it's still that's a 10-15% move since, again, February 3rd. All right, another one, CHR. See that one? CHR. So here we are, 50 cents. Again, you know, February 3rd, up to 63 cents. Not bad, not bad. So a lot of these coins are performing really good. And that's it could be very temporary. In 3-4 months, you may not know about them outside of the Luna, Avalanche, and whatever else is long term. So Flow was another one I mentioned a few weeks ago. This was doing really well. Look at that, 560 to 850. Okay, so that's close to doubling in the way that last bar here earlier today. This could double very quickly, and that, again, that's since February 4th. I did highlight that one a week ago. So now we're going to move into what has been trading today. So I think the majority of them I've already covered. So we're just looking for the latest ones here. Let's see here. What do we got? Okay, so there's a couple here. Here's one I have not seen in a long, long time. It's a legacy coin. It's Bitcoin Cash. Let's check out this one. I've not seen this one. This one's really dropped off in terms of market cap, trading volume as well. So Bitcoin Cash, it's looking pretty good though. 270 to 342. So my math is telling me that's a 10-20% move. Pretty good. Another one here is ARPA. I don't think I've seen this one before. It's these little ones that can really shock you on how fast they move. So ARPA, again, similar move, 5.7 cents to 8.7. They go up to 9.50. So this could double February 3rd. So again, those little coins you just don't know about. One we've already been watching. Rose has been doing pretty good. This is the Ocean Protocol. Let's check out this one. Very choppy trading. So they're January 31st, 30 cents all the way up to 37. 15, 20, close to 20%. Not bad. You know, these are really good, but there's just better coins out there that are doubling, giving you 50% return in a very short period of time. One coin I've not looked at, but has been performing well is Phantom. As another one. Let's see. This one's very choppy. You can see here a buck 88 on February 3rd, all the way up to 224. So it's a what, 10, 20, 25% return. Pretty good. But again, there's just other ones giving you much, much better performance. ICP, Avac, Atom, ENS. I think that's it. Okay, so another one I have not seen in a while is Neo. Oh, and then there was Litecoin as well. So let me just do Neo and then Litecoin. So Neo, 1850 here to 2364. You know, 20% 20-25% return, but it's always what you're looking for is this action right here. You can see how slow it is, but if you were to look at, let's say, Avacs, that one's petered out. But, well, I'm sure Ethereum. You can see how fast moving that price change is. That's what you're looking for to really move it up. That's where you, if you're intraday trading, that's where you want to be. So yeah, Neo, not a top performer. And the last one here is Litecoin. Litecoin. I do like Litecoin, but unfortunately it's one of those coins that's dropping off in terms of volume. Again, that's looking pretty good there. February 3rd, price $105 to 140.80. But look at that price action right there. That's moving pretty good. So that's a 40% return. Really strong, very strong. Continuing along here, there are other coins. Oh, here's one I've not seen. I used to like Matic or Polygon. This one was hyped up a lot. But Matic, let's see that one. That's looking not bad as well. $1.45 February 3rd to 201. Pretty good. But again, check out that volume. It's just not moving as fast as I showed you with Litecoin. I showed you that. Oh, Shiba's been a top performer. Shiba is a weird coin. It's a manipulated coin. You see these big moves, these explosive moves, and it goes flat, and then it drifts. This is definitely somebody's pumping this coin. I mean, these are like very explosive moves, right? This is just in the last hour. So here we're looking at, what are we looking at? 2100. That's February 6th, so 3 days ago. And look where it's at now, 33.47. And again, Shiba Army's in action. Avac was trading quite a bit yesterday. This is a DeFi coin. So this is now probably the most active DeFi coin out there. DeFi is really going to get regulated hard with these new regulations. So that's at 146 yesterday on the 3rd. 146, now it's at 188. Pretty strong return there. What else? I think we are done. We are done. Yeah, that's it. So if you like what you see, always join our email newsletter, quantlabs.net/contact. And I'll be presenting more of the reports and charts if you want to know more about that via video or via the email. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.